Depending on your operating system, there are many ways to install GIMP. I'm just going to go to gimp.org and download it from there. It recognizes my operating system. I'll just hit download and save the file. Now I'm using Mac OS here, so I have a DMG file. I'm going to open it. Depending on your operating system, you might have a different file. All you have to do is open the file and follow the instructions. For Mac OS X, all I have to do is drag and drop this to applications folder. On Linux, you can even use a package manager such as apt-get to install GIMP. Once this is done, I'm going to go to applications folder and open GIMP. So I received this warning here. macOS gives this warning if you download something from a source other than the App Store. So I'm just going to click open here. I am using GIMP 2.10. If you're using an older version of GIMP, you might see multiple windows here. So in GIMP 2.10, single window mode is enabled by default. I'm going to leave that on. Some people who have dual monitors prefer multiple windows. They want the main window on one screen and all these toolboxes on another screen. Opening a file in GIMP is pretty straightforward. Just like other programs, you go to File, Open, or you hit the keyboard shortcut Command+O on Mac or Control+O on Windows. I'm just going to drag and drop some pics here. The three different files have been opened in three different tabs here.